Hi, this is Caleb Allen, and today we're going to be playing parkour. And Preston Smith.
I thought we were doing an actual video.
Huh?
That means we're just climbing and stuff.
Yeah, I know. It's Caleb Allen and Preston Smith. And yeah.
No, don't use a funny voice when you speak.
Fine. This is cool. Climbing on the side of a hill. I fell!
We probably could get up here. I don't have a good feeling about it. Do you?
Yeah, no, don't do that. Let's go.
Cool though, right?
Dude, I'm sliding! Oh, shoot. So are you.
Javelin inbound.
Woo!
Give me a video of me.
Ow, that has pricklies on it. That hurt. Oh, all these have pricklies on it down here. Dude, help. I'm climbing with one hand.
We may need to slide down.
Dude, look how high I am. Oh, look how high I am. My foot's stuck in quicksand. Oh! Oh, shoot. We gotta make it over there. Let's get down to the bottom of it so it's easier. Ah! I just caught myself. I'm flicking sliding like a ninja. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful.
On video?
Yeah. Woo!
Here we go. Ready?
Oh God.
Take risk.
I'm going that way. Shiz. Dude. Is this hard? Really? Oh! Secured.
And since you don't want your get right there and jump here.
Huh?
Get on that rock and jump here.
Okay. Where?
Right here.
Can't jump that far.
Thank you. See?
Got it. Alright, we're good. We're on the rocks now. Woo! him out. Mosquitoes, my butthole. Whoa, I almost fell.
Want to do that again?
No. Crap. Dude, how are we gonna get out? Dude, come here. Dude, wait, I can't do that. Huh? Huh? That didn't help. I got an idea. That's not helping. What? Wait a sec. I might jump on that. That didn't help, by the way.
Hey. Keep that flat in here.
That's a long jump. That didn't do anything. Dude, I can make this jump, I think. Dude, I can make this jump. Look how long this is to there. You ready? Dude, I can't make that. Huh?
Yeah, you want it. Here, shoot it clear quickly. More quickly.
No, I'm gonna land there. I'm probably gonna jump here.
Yeah.
You ready?
Wait, I'm gonna put some.
Alright. Dude, I'm so scared.
Hang on this. And this.
Here, put that right there on top of that sharp rock under that water. Yeah. That's not gonna help. Dude, do you think you can catch your phone?
Nope.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this. Dude, I think I'm gonna have to go back there, walk across the little water over there and come around.
Oh,
What? Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
wait. Here.
That's not gonna help.
Yes, it is.
Alright guys, I gotta go the other way because I'm like, what? I know, there's a place, it's a property, it's fine, no one lives there. Okay, so I gotta figure out how to get over. Cause, like, come over here! Cause this is like scary. I can't get my shoes back. Should have worn my bad shoes. Come over here! Hey, Caleb! Caleb! What? I can't hear you! What? Dude, this is not a good idea. Dude, look. You can build off rocks over there. Like on top of that little water. something right there.
You can walk on this because the bottom is just
Put it right here, dude. It's good. You want me to do it? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes!
Let's go!
I did it, but my feet are soaked. But I don't really freaking care because I made it. Freaking frick, I'm soaked. What?
Up there. Something's up there. Something's up there. Watch out.
I know there's a house. There's a house. No one lives there. It says careful cameras, but there's not. Trust me. I've been down here millions of times. Are we gonna watch this when we get home? I can't believe I did that, dude. Dude, my shoes are still kind of wet though. Yeah. Yeah, I knew that was gonna work better. Frick.
I saw a couple of big gigantic rocks. I was like, hey, maybe Tesla can walk on.
Whoa, look at that bird, dude. Why is there a tire?
Yeah.
Right there.
I would do this to save you. I would do this to save you.
Why?
So bugs are getting them up.
You are a
Is that
freak.
what I went up?
Yeah, you can go up there if you want. Should we? Real quick?
No. Somebody can be in there now. Because
It's just a field. It's probably where they keep cattle.
we can parkour that. That's easy.
No,
Oh,
let's go around.
Look at this line.
Dude, my feet are already kind of drying. Dude, I'm gonna have to scrub my shoes off. This is awesome.
Oh,
See, private property, no trespassing over there.
double.
Dude, what are you doing? Why don't you just go this way? Spider webs. Gosh. You ready? I'm gonna jump to that. 3, 2, 1. What?
This paddle.
Yeah, I know. Dude, there's like an end right here. There's like a fence, but there's a huge waterfall under the fence.
Wait, is that a driveway?
Where?
That's how far that goes.
Yeah. It's dirt bikes, dude. And
Wanna
quads.
walk all the way down back now?
Huh?
Wanna walk all the way back down?
No.
We can climb it
No. Let's
over
go.
there.
I don't care. Let's go. Let's go farther. I'm gonna show you the end. Well, there's no end. Dude, if you went on this for days and days, this leads to the high river. Like, and I know, because you know how? I've been that far. My friend long time ago.
What time was it when you got back?
We went at like 8 in the morning. So it was like, I think it was like, oh shoot, I don't know. I think it was like, it's probably like, I don't remember. Dude. You can't. I once was a farmer and I worked as a farmer. Ow. I just pricked myself. Dude, this way is easier. Ow.
Hurry, hurry.
Those are spiky things. Ah, what is that black stuff, dude? What is that black stuff?
I don't know.
Go.
Ow, dude.
Go first. Here, I'll help. I don't trust that black stuff. Alright, I'm doing that too. Dude! Why would you do that? Huh?
Why can't I pick for the top one?
I guess I'm going by myself. Dude, there's so many ticks here. Hey, Caleb! Wait. What? I worked as a farmer. What? I know, it's where I'm going. Wait for me, okay? Ow. Frick. Ow. There's prickly things on that tree. So that's why that was so hard. Dude, there's prickly things on this too. Ow. She's a Pete's. I quit to pull my because I got people on my head. What are you doing? Wait! Caleb! Wait! Dude, there's so many spiky things there. Jeez. You ready? Dude.
Oh,
Huh? Dude, that might not be sturdy though. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was the longest. I thought I was gonna fall. Woo! Oh, my heart dropped. Military school. What? Are you gonna record?
Hey dude, what's up? What's up? There was once a man in Assassin's Creed City that was so hopeless that there was no people. He kicks rocks and is... Person is recording now. You press go. It hasn't been recording this whole time.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Dang it.
We'll keep on recording it.
Well, guys, we just made it like long time, and I accidentally clicked pause. Remember that date I was talking about? Right here. We skipped a little time, so it wouldn't be that long. Or maybe I just failed and messed up on the camera. It's all good.
Yeah, but he made at least 5 parkour things.
And it was sweet. How am I supposed to do this?
Just watch it.
I got this. Yeah, you walked through the water. Caleb, come back. Dude, do you know why I went this way? Because we're gonna have to go over that little gate. Ugh, spider web in my mouth.
Hey, person, bring the camera over here. We have found a deer trap. Some deer traps.
That's pretty cool. All right, so there's one right here too. All right,
Go, guys.
see? We have to go on top of that thing. I've never been this far this way. This is the farthest I've ever been. Dude, this is the farthest I've ever been.
This?
Yeah, this way. I've been a long way the other way.
Oh, you're not allowed to go?
Huh?
This looks like a war zone.
Holy crap.
Doesn't it look like a war zone?
Dude, how are we gonna get through that? Do you wanna go?
You?
I don't care. Or you wanna go back?
Let's go this too far.
Huh?
Let's just go through this.
What are you? I can't hear everything you're saying. I can't hear you. Talk too quiet. Time lapse. Everybody be quiet. Time lapse. Everybody be quiet before the end of the video. Shh, don't walk. Don't walk.
I want to do something cool.
Yeah, watch. It's paused.
Okay, good. Da-da-dun, 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 da-da-dun. And so the miracle lives on. We have done so many things that we can't go out here. We're too tired and we don't have water, so we will end the video now.
Yeah.
Bye.
This is the end of the video. I'm sorry, guys. It was like a long video.
Subscribe to Preston Smith.
Yeah.
He will show his face because it will have a neon shirt. With his face on
No, it's a blue shirt, I think.
it. Neon shirt in the in the picture.
All right, you ready? Stop it. 3. Where's 1, 2, 1. No, it's still recording. Rip.